Now let's move on to components and composite products. Components are the ingredients used to prepare the drinks, such as coffee beans, milk, or water. Composite products are the finished drinks, like a cappuccino, created by defining a recipe. When everything is set up, Vendon Cloud automatically calculates ingredient usage based on sales, so you can clearly see what is being used and when refills are needed. Shall we begin?
To add a new component, click on Settings, then Components Products. Navigate to Components tab, then click New Item. Let's create a component together, for example, coffee beans. Next, if needed, enter an article number. This is your internal product code. It's optional, but if you already use product codes in your warehouse system, you can use the same one here or create a new one. The article number will also appear in your reports, which helps with product tracking. Next, select the unit. For coffee beans, we'll use grams. Leave the product profile section empty for now. We'll define these values in the following sessions. Click Save. Repeat these steps for all components used to prepare your drinks. For this demo, I've already created them in advance. After all components have been added, the next step is creating drink recipes. We'll cover that in the next session.